Hi guys, new addition to the Bushwacker family. We've got a little fledgling here, fledgling crow, so I've been hand rearing it, so I've been really busy, so hence not so many videos. Preloaded the boat, so we're going for 2 weeks down the river. So while we're there, I'm going to show you all the kit that we bought. You know, I was going to do a loadout video, but I just hadn't had the time with Ragnar. I named him Ragnar because I do like the Vikings and what the Vikings stand for. A beautiful bird. A shame he's not coming with us, but he's staying back. But yeah, so I loaded up the canoe. Got all the essentials. Like I said, 14 days. There's a few places to stop off, so we've taken provisions for 14 days, food wise. But if you know, opportunity does arise, we'll stop off and resupply. So like I said, I'll show you through all the kit during the trip. Little Ragnar here, he fell out of a tree, and the cats were about to pounce on him, so I took him in and left him a couple of days, but there was no response from the parents, so it was a case of putting him back out for the cats or trying to hand rear him. Then I've done some research on the carrion crow, which I think he is, and they can live up to 30 years in captivity. So I've got him for a few years yet, so he's going to be in a few of the videos. I'm hoping he's going to sit on my shoulder, but as he gets older and wiser, he'll be coming on some trips with us. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we see you down the river. Cheers guys, enjoy the great outdoors, see you on the next one. Excited.